Let's see here. Dismissed for want of prosecution. Removed from the court's docket because the plaintiff, yes, has failed to pursue the case diligently towards completion. Dismissal for want of prosecution under dismissal. Ouch. Dismissed without prejudice. Removed from the court's docket in such a way that the plaintiff may refile the same suit on the same claim. See dismissal without prejudice under dismissal. And dismissed with prejudice. Removed from the court's docket in such a way that the plaintiff is foreclosed from filing a suit again on the same claim or claims. Dismissal with prejudice under dismissal. Now, twice you've dismissed it without prejudice? Yes. Now, since you have the evidence I wasn't in Squim? Yes. You decided that you're just not going to remove the dismissal. And the case on Guam was dismissed with prejudice? Yeah. Yeah. Mhm. And for some reason, you don't have any problem making up fraud. Yes, fraud, false criminal complaints in Jefferson County. Yes. Why don't you get me the mental health evaluations of each judge and your individual prescriptions? You really shouldn't be sitting there on an anxiety medication that causes a little drowsiness. I know you keep your eyes open. I'm sure you're listening while the individuals are giving their, well, what do they call it, where they're presenting the case to you. Yes. But for all of you that are on some sort of medication that prevents you from thinking clearly about exactly what the case is, I'm going to sue you. Pooch! Now, I know it's upsetting to a lot of judges. It's such a relaxing. You got that nice comfy chair that you sit in for approximately 4 to 6 hours a day. Then you go into chambers and you make phone calls to one another. I'm going to want your prescriptions. See, there's this idea that you would have to be on prescription drugs to not understand certain things. Yes. You need to understand that the petitioner needs to sign the protection order. Yes. That you do have to protect the rights of due process to the respondent. Yes. You have to protect the equal protections of the law for the five minors named. Yeah. And you can never use a forgery of the county clerk. You never can do it. You never can. Now, I know you're sitting there and you're high as a kite, having a good time all day long, kind of laughing to yourself about exactly what you do. It's fun being a judge, isn't it? Especially when you're on medication. It's so funny how you're having such a good time.